today I'm going to run you through how to upkeep your maintenance on your gray and freshwater tanks. Through how to empty your gray tank. Keep in mind your gray tank is the only exterior water source that is located in the undercarriage underneath the van. It is wrapped in heating pads, but the access point to empty it will be right here on the driver's side door. All you do is right here, you will twist this to the left and you will pull that guy out. Where your freshwater tank is located and how to actually empty it. Very easy process. You just cruise right over to this first panel. You will press the button. You will see your 40-gallon freshwater tank in here. Right below it, there is a white little lever. You will pull that towards yourself and the water will actually start deploying underneath.